Hi guys, welcome to my channel जिसका नाम है In Short Maritime. I am Hitesh, a pass out from Tolani Maritime Institute and currently a sailing marine engineer. आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. It is IMUCET 2024 and I still remember when I made this channel in 2020. I made this video and every year I have to make this video regarding IMUCET, but I understand that every year different kind of students come and they have this doubt. So today we will talk about IMUCET 2024. So first of all, for talking about any particular thing, you should know the full form. So IMU is Indian Maritime University. So it's a government body, Indian Maritime University, and CET is a common entrance test. Okay. So Indian Maritime University common entrance test. So if you want to be an officer, okay, if you want to be an engineer or if you want to be a deck officer, engine officer, you have to appear for IMUCET. If you want to prepare for courses like DNS sponsorship, you have to take admission for BSc Nautical Science, or you have to take admission for BTech Marine Engineering. This one fact will never change, that you have to appear for IMUCET. Okay. Now, what is the syllabus, the pattern and the level of IMUCET? Okay, so let me just tell you. First of all, IMUCET consists of 200 questions. Okay, so you have 200 questions in IMUCET. Now 50 questions will be of physics and 50 questions will be of mathematics. So physics and mathematics will take half of your exam, which is 100 questions out of 200. So of course you have to focus more on physics and mathematics. So 50 questions for mathematics, 50 questions for physics, and all of the questions in the exam are going to be MCQs, multiple choice questions, right? 4 options, 1 question, you have to appear, you have to mark the answer. Okay, so what is the level of physics and maths that comes in IMUCET? So it is going to be somewhere around your class 11th and 12th. Of course, you know the basics of class 11th and 12th, but all of the questions are going to be conceptual questions. This is something which I personally like about IMUCET, that whatever they ask is concept based. So for students who understand the principles behind physics and mathematics, logics, equations, they perform very well in IMUCET. Now rest 100 marks are basically chemistry, English, aptitude and general knowledge. Okay, so roughly you can get 25 questions of chemistry, 25 of English, 25 of aptitude and 25 of general knowledge, which includes current affairs and everything around it. But this number can frequently go up and down a little bit, but more or less it's the same. For chemistry, you don't have to worry so much. You won't get organic chemistry, high level of organic chemistry, or something very complicated. Again, just stick to the basics for chemistry. Now for general aptitude, again, aptitude is something that you should practice, but it is something that we all are usually born with. So but still you have to practice, and if you know what kind of questions are going to be asked in aptitude, you will perform really well. Okay, so current affairs, GK, you already know that it's completely dependent upon your awareness, because they can ask you literally everything. Now for English, you have 6 common topics like parts of speech, you have idioms and phrases, you have verbs, you have antonyms, synonyms, all of these things they will ask you. So this is regarding IMUCET. Now I want you all to understand that to get into Merchant Navy, IMUCET is very important, it's compulsory, but it's not everything. So for any course that you apply or any company that you want to take admission in, you will definitely have to appear for their interview. आपको उनका interview देना पड़ेगा, and you will also definitely will need to appear for their written exam. Okay, so IMUCET is not the only thing. But because this video is regarding IMUCET, let me just tell you about the dates and everything. So you can expect the forms to open by April end or May starting. That is the time where you can pay the fees and register for the exam, and then subsequently you will get the admit card and everything follows. It's very simple, it's not really tough. Once you will register, you will know everything. Now regarding the preparation for IMUCET, now I want you all to understand that you all students are coming from different kind of boards, but the paper is concept based. So the kind of questions which are going to be asked in IMUCET, you must be aware about it. And I always say that if you are aware about what kind of questions are going to be asked, your performance will automatically improve, right? So upon my checking, I verified this, that IMU does not release its previous year questions or you don't have a sample paper from previous year from IMUCET. So if you will go online, or if you will go to buy a book or anything, people have just tried to create that kind of level, or just try to make a paper of their own, which could be accurate, which could not be accurate. It could misguide you, or it could guide you right, but there is no guarantee to it. So for which I will tell you about. So you can check In Short Maritime on Instagram. Please subscribe to my channel. But now what I'm going to tell you about is, on Instagram you can contact us on In Short Maritime. So we have batches. So these are live classes where we teach students for IMUCET exam. And because these are live classes, they are not pre-recorded, so they are updated every now and then. For example, if I am hosting a batch, if we are hosting a batch at In Short Maritime 1 month from now, so whatever knowledge we gain in the last 1 month, for example, what kind of questions are asked and what students are experiencing, we share in the next batch. So it's very updated and it will guide you in the right direction. So please check out those batches at In Short Maritime. You can message us over there. I will share the details with you. It's going to be me, and you can really trust that platform. Even if you don't want to join our platform, my suggestion to you would be, stick to your boards level books. Try to develop a concept. Try to grab a hold or a grip over the concepts whichever you have studied in class 11th and 12th, and you should be good to go. So today we talked about the full form and the syllabus. Eligibility can vary, but eligibility is something you can literally find on Google, and it is very simple. It is not something tough. To join Merchant Navy, your PCM aggregate should be more than 60%. You should appear for IMUCET, and you should appear for the sponsorship exam or college exam along with the interview, which could be sponsorship interview or the college interview. These are the things that you have to clarify or qualify before you get admission. So this was regarding IMUCET 2024. Thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to my channel. You can always message me on In Short Maritime if you need any kind of assistance. I will definitely reply to all of you. See you all in the next video.